Let's make chicken tostadas. You're going to start with your red gold and your tomato love tomatoes, some fresh ingredients, and some pantry staples. You're going to make an easy but flavorful spice blend, and you're going to grab your pressure cooker, and this will just take 10 minutes to cook. So once you get this going, you're going to add in your red gold and your tomato love tomatoes that go from farm truck to customer ready in under an hour, and they're grown on 35 local family farms. Just so flavorful and delicious. They get the job done every time. After your chicken is finished cooking, pull it out, use your mixer, and shred it perfectly in seconds. It works every time. Put it back in that flavorful tomato mixture, add in some black beans, a squeeze of fresh lime, and you could eat it just like that. It's delicious. But to make those tostadas, go ahead and start with a base of guacamole or refried beans. Top that with your chicken mixture, and then add cheese, lettuce, if you want it spicy, sriracha, whatever you want. Grab an ice cold margarita, and you're good to go. Cheers.